Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a project share of some Halloween cards that I made. I've been having so much fun making Halloween cards, and although they took me forever, I love how they turned out. Like, I think they turned out so cute, and I was like a little stuck on how to make Halloween cards, so if you guys are stuck, I hope that this inspires you to make some Halloween cards. I don't really ever do anything with them. I just put them up in my Etsy shop because I don't actually mail out Halloween cards. But last year, all of my Halloween cards like disappeared, and I didn't actually know that people mail out Halloween cards. I know I don't, but I guess some of you guys do. So I am just sharing with you guys the ideas that I came up with this year. So these are just 3 of them, and I don't know, maybe I'll do more, maybe I won't, but I really just love how they turned out. So let me get started and sharing with you guys my Halloween cards. So this first one I created says Happy Halloween, and it's popped up on some foam here. It's a like 3 kind of step card, so it will fold like this and it folds flat. And then when you open it up, you could write like a little message on the inside here. But I just love how there's so much, you know, like so much Halloween stuff happening here. You have the Happy Halloween in gold popped up on foam. You have this little spider hanging from the L. You have these spooky trees here. You got an owl. There's some decorations that I added with some sequins and a little border down here. For that card, I used a die that I had, which is from sizzix, but Stephanie Bernard was the designer. So I used like the 3-step card kind of die and like the internal kind of things. None of the Halloween pieces are included. This is more of like a flowery kind of set. So I didn't use any of those pieces, but I did use like the frame for the card. For the Happy Halloween, I have this die set here. It's from AliExpress, and I will have links to anything I used down below, so you guys could also check those out. For the owl, the trees, and this spider here, I just bought some SVG files online on Etsy, so I will link those down below as well in case you guys want to cut out your own little owls and trees and spiders, so I'll have that linked down below for you guys. And then for the border here, the orange border, I used a die set from Spellbinders, and it's just like a whole bunch of border dies. For my next card, I created like a little slider, so when you open it up, it also has like a white inside so somebody could write a message. But I created a slider. Now this is actually an SVG file that I sell in my printable shop, so I'll have a link to that down below. And I just love it. It says trick or treat when you open this up. The trick or treat and the little witch hat on the very front here. I made my spider vampire looking thing into a witch also. But that die is from AliExpress, which is just the one that I just showed you before. So before I used the Happy Halloween, but in this card I used the little witch hat and then the trick or treat. And it turned out super cute. It has some detail in here as well. You have like this little spider web. This was also a SVG file, so I will have that linked down below. I didn't create this one, but the spider web I will have linked down below. For the background here, I used a Lawn Fawn die. It's just the outside and stitch scalloped rectangle stackables. Super long name, but I will have that link down below in case you guys are interested in that as well. And I have that popped up on a little bit of foam so that when you do the slider, it's like easier to slide. And then I don't know if you guys could tell here, but underneath my spider web, I added in a little bit of like mesh kind of thing, and I put it in like a rosette form. And I think that looks so cute as well. Let me just show you guys that up close. You have like that rosette thing, and I think that turned out so pretty. And don't you love my little spider with vampire teeth and a witch hat? I think it's so funny but so cute at the same time. For my last Halloween card in this video, I created like this big spiderweb doily that I had decorated with Nouveau drops. I have like this little nesting thing in the middle that says Creeping It Real, and I gold heat embossed that. I have these little spiders, and they're actually shakers, so I turned them into like little shakers. And I think that turned out so cute as well. So those little orange pieces inside just move around. So for this, the doily, the spiderweb doily, is another file that I purchased off of Etsy. It's another SVG file. So I will have that linked down below. For the nesting dies, I used a die set from KarolinasKrafts store from AliExpress, so I will have that link down below, but I used a small one and this other one to kind of nest them into each other. For these little spiders, I used another die that I got from AliExpress, and it came with a spider, a bat, and a little ghost, all of which you could really just turn into shakers. You're just going to have to find like the other pieces, because they do cut out the inside when you do this, obviously, because you need that for the top. But if you do just like a border, that's fine. I ended up just using like a little circle die that I had, a nesting die, to do my shaker. But so it comes with this ghost, this spider, and a little bat. And then the little Creeping It Real stamp sentiment is from this set, and I love it so much. It's also from AliExpress, so I will have a link down below. But it comes with like a later witchy kind of thing with a witch. You're my boo, if you got it, haunt it, frightfully adorable. Congratulations. Frankly, I think you're awesome. I hope you find this humorous. Bon appetit. And then Hocus Pocus, I need coffee to focus. So I thought the stamp set was super cute, and I just added the Creeping It Real. Again, I just heat embossed it with some gold embossing powders. So that's it for my project share for my 3 cards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to create some Halloween cards. I had so much fun making them, and I needed to share. As soon as I made this one, I had to share it on Instagram. And then like these slider things I made ahead of time, and then I finally figured out like how I wanted the card to look, and I put the card together with the slider. So it all was like a work in progress, but I love how they all turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which card is your favorite, this little tri-fold step card, the slider card, or the shaker card. Let me know which is your favorite in the comment section down below, because I think my favorite is this one, second favorite is this one, and then third favorite is this one, and in that order. So let me know your favorites as well, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!